Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up an anti-flicker on Insta360 GO Ultra. To do it, slide down from the top of your screen, then go to settings right here, and now you'll find anti-flicker. You can set it to auto, but you can also set it to 50 or 60 Hertz. What it means is it depends on the region you're in. In most cases, sometimes it will actually depend on the devices that are around you, because if computers are around you, then most probably you'll need to set it to 60 Hertz anyway. Because computers typically work at computer monitors typically work at 60 Hertz or higher, but most of these higher values are actually any multiplication of 60, so it still is 60, right? Now for lighting, some artificial lighting in a room or something, then it just depends on what region you're in. You may either need to set it to 50 or 60 Hertz. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.